Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Bitcoin coming down, spiking through our 6660 level, not quite to our next level, but holding here on a closing basis. So, and then rotating back up, going to update this now to this major spike low, coming back to the rotation zone and the prior support becoming resistance area. Looks like it's starting to enter into that. On a continued rally, let me see here, what was that? There we go, let me move that out of the way. On a continued rally, we are going to be watching for, let me delete this too, sorry about that. Major resistance coming in. We're just going to use the upper end. We don't have a lot of separation in the rotation zone, and we have this prior resistance ledge lining up at the 50. So about 69.25 is the area of resistance. If we get through there, we'll start watching back for this 71.90 to 7200 level. Also, you notice here we made a lower low in price action, higher low in the RSI. So we had this little divergence pattern that did set up. So these are very key lows right now. So you, from the bull side, you don't want to see a close below 65.93. If we did, 64.84, then 63.74 are the next key levels lower. Let's switch over to the daily chart. Daily chart, once the data comes in, all right, here we go. So definitely closing, well, opening below the rotation zone, rallying back up. We're going to have to see where this closes, though. Everything's gone flat, and we are in this huge horizontal channel. We've been stair-stepping higher over time, so we're still stair-stepping higher, so it's still in a bullish mode. Today, if it does close, it'll be more neutral on the daily, but these have gone flat, so we're not paying as much attention to it. You can see here, flat 50-day exponential moving average, 71.90. So that's going to be your key level to the upside. And also you have this dual cluster right here, 63.75. So that's your major support to the downside. Other than that, not much going on. Remember, our other system was a stop for longs if it did get a close below this low being 67.73. Right now, we still have not closed below this low. We always wait for the closing prices, especially for our stops, because it prevents us from getting shaken out in the crypto markets. It's better to wait for stops. It is traded down, but it doesn't look like it's going to close below here. It still might. We could get some selling pressure, in which case that's a longer-term stop, and then we'd watch for a re-entry. But right now, we're still up above the stop level. Switching over to Ethereum. Ethereum coming down just in front of our 149.24 level. Was a low 149.70, and then rotating back up. We're going to drag this over here since we have a longer term bottom. Also, you can see lower low in price action, higher low in RSI, so we did get a divergence signal in there. Key resistance for first level is about 158. Then we're going to be watching 160.50. If we get above 160.50, we're targeting 165 again. Those are the key levels. If we drop below 149.70, 146.31, 142.92 are the next levels lower. But we did have that nice little divergence buy there. Looking at the daily chart, get the bigger picture, bigger perspective. So right now, slightly below the rotation zone, but closing back in it. Ethereum's been holding up a little better than Bitcoin with all this. If we do continue to rally, especially above about 159, above 159, we'll be targeting that 165. That 165 level is very key for any long targets right now. And then above that, we have the flat 200 coming in at this prior candle resistance level at about 173. So those are all the levels that we are watching, and I hope it helps you out. Again, we are over 3,000 subscribers now. Thank you to everybody who has subscribed and continues to watch our videos. Talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.